students for their all-round development and performance. And then we are all waiting to watch what is going to happen. We just had a glimpse of the activities, but we are participating in an event which is remarkably well arranged and well organized. Without going further into any other details, let me once again congratulate the management, the students and the staff members, and I remain. Thank you.
Father, please stay back on the stage. Thank you, Father, for sharing your wisdom and for inspiring us all with your enlightening words. May I now invite the manager, Reverend Father Joshi, on stage to kindly present the memento as a token of our appreciation to our chief guest of honor for blessing us with his presence. Thank you, Father Cyril, and thank you, Father Joshi. Now, let us turn our attention to the stars of the evening, our young achievers. Their dedication, perseverance, and talent have brought laurels to our school. Please join us in recognizing the outstanding students.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Champions are made from something they have deep inside them. A desire, a dream, and a vision. Success is no accident. It is hard work, perseverance, learning, studying, sacrifice, and most of all, love for what you are doing or learning to do. Today, we celebrate those who have shown not only their strength and skill, but also their determination, discipline, and sportsmanship. We recognize all those who have inspired us all by pushing the limits and achieving greatness on and off the field. So here we go.
Sports do not build character, they reveal it. So here we have our outstanding athletes. Each of these individuals has shown exceptional skill, determination and sportsmanship in their respective sports. Skating, Adavya Kumar Tripathi, grade 4B. From under 11 age group has achieved a remarkable success in skating. He won a gold medal in 1000-meter ring race and a gold medal in 1500-meter road race at the SGFI State Championship, securing his position to represent Madhya Pradesh at the SGFI Nationals 2024. In addition, at the RSFI Ranking Championship 2024, conducted by Roller Skating Federation of India, he earned 2 gold medals, 2 silver medals and 1 bronze medal, placing him in the first rank in speed skating nationally for under 11 age group. This is a matter of great pride for our school. Shivansh Kanoji, grade 6C, played for National Skating Championship in Mumbai Virar conducted by CISCE, also participated in competition conducted by SGFI and secured 1 gold in 2000-meter road race and 1 gold in 1000-meter ring race and 1 silver in 500-meter ring race. He also participated in 68 MP School State Level Roller Skating Championship. Shivangi Kanoji, grades 8B, played for National Skating Championship in Mumbai Virar conducted by CISCE, also participated in competition conducted by SGFI and secured 1 bronze in 1000-meter ring race and 1 silver in 500-meter ring race and qualified for state level. She also participated in 68 MP School State Level Roller Skating Championship and secured bronze medal in 500-meter ring race and bronze medal in 3000-meter road race. Daksh Patel, grade 9B, participated in skating competition conducted by SGFI and secured 1 bronze in 1000-meter ring race and 1 bronze in 1 lap road, 1 silver in 3000-meter road race and also qualified for state level. He participated in 68 MP School State Level Roller Skating Championship and secured bronze medal in 3000-meter road race.
Swimming, Mahi Bharadwaj, grade 8A, participated in swimming at regional level conducted by CISCE under 14 girls. She won 1 silver in 50-meter freestyle, 1 silver in 50-meter breaststroke, 1 bronze in 50-meter backstroke. She was one of the participants in national level swimming competition conducted by CISE at Bengaluru in 200-meter freestyle, 200-meter IM relay and 400-meter IM relay. Arnab Kushwaha, grade 8B, participated in swimming under 14 conducted by CISE at regional level, and he won 1 gold in 200-meter freestyle, 1 silver in 4 in 200-meter freestyle relay, 1 bronze in 50-meter backstroke. He was one of the participants in the national swimming competition conducted by CISE at Bengaluru in 200-meter freestyle, 200-meter IM relay and 400-meter IM relay. Akshat Rajminch, grade 9B, participated in swimming conducted by CISE under 17 boys at regional level and won a silver medal in 4 in 200-meter freestyle relay. Tanmay Verma, grade 10A, secured 3rd position in aquathlon at Bhopal district Triathlon Championship 2024. He participated in strategic swimming national championship under 14 and won 3 gold medals for 6 arm somersault, 100-meter breaststroke partner event and 100-meter freestyle partner event. He participated in CISE regional level games and got 3 gold in 50-meter freestyle, 200-meter freestyle and 800-meter freestyle, and a silver in 4 in 200-meter freestyle relay. Atiharsh Mishra, grade 10A, participated in swimming competition conducted by CISE 2024 under 17 boys. He secured 1 silver medal in 4 in 200-meter freestyle relay and qualified for nationals in 100-meter butterfly.
Basketball, Vanshika Garg, grade 10B, participated in under 17 girls Bhopal basketball team at Gwalior ITM University under 17 conducted by Madhya Pradesh Basketball Association and was selected for basketball under 17 youth championship. Karate, Varun Joshi, grade 4D, got 2 bronze medal in 6th district karate championship, 1 gold and 1 silver in 7th district karate championship Bhopal. He has also bagged a bronze medal in state karate championship held in Indore. Ritishri Solanki, grade 7D, participated in state level karate championship conducted by District Karate Federation Pachmadi and won a silver medal. Taekwondo, Aishna Pal, grade 5B, won silver medal in 36th MP State Taekwondo Championship 2024 sub-junior category. Rope skipping, Darsh Jhakmola, grade 8A, has won a gold and a bronze medal in 17th District Rope Skipping Championship organized by District Rope Skipping Association Bhopal and Rope Skipping Association MP. He has also won 1 gold medal and 1 bronze medal in state level championship. The pursuit of knowledge is not a destination but a journey, one that requires patience, curiosity and dedication. Now, we celebrate our academic achievers who have excelled in their studies, demonstrating that learning is truly the most powerful tool to change the world.
AIMS Talent Exam winners: Divyansh Vishwakarma of grade 3A, Arham Jan of grade 6B, and Upanshu Gupta of grade 9A have made us proud by receiving school topper medal in their respective categories and also securing All India